この世界は騒がしすぎるから。聞かないで、見ないで。そして前に進め。
Caught in a never-ending game. Seems like the world's still trying to tame me. If that's the way, I will obey. Beautifully struggle every day. Should we have a little kiss while seeing both of our hourglasses? Let's make a plan to meet somewhere that is the most far from goodbye. Finally, the time has come. Everything up till yesterday was a prologue, skimming through the days of old. It's my turn to bear the load. With my experience and my skill, and all the courage I had let start to mildew, at an unprecedented speed, I will dive right into you. And when I dozed off into a lukewarm can of soda, I dreamed of a world so far from here that's not on the map, searching outside of the classroom window, or in summer morning that's brought from the commuting train. Oh, words like tomorrow or future or fate, no matter how far they extend their hands, we breathe, we dream, we raise our love in a timeless land that is far out of reach. Even the second our hands of the clock, they look at us sideways as they tick and talk. How I hope to have forever to spend this life, no, our future life, right here in this world with you. Let's put away them far ahead, do your dues and all the nice to meet yous, and breathe over 1,000 years, cycle in a single day. How I hate in life this world, it's made up entirely of dictionary words that I saw through my kaleidoscope on a monotonous August morn. When he appeared in front of me, acted shy but didn't miss your grinning face, like if it's the textbook of this world of how to make you smile and face. I've been looking for incredibles, the meaning of unbelievable, even hope for tragedies if it goes with the thrill. But then you were standing in front of my door, with every piece in your hand that I could ask for. Oh, words like tomorrow or future or fate, no matter how far they extend their hands. Let's breathe, dream, and play together in this place. What do you